Hello everyone! You know that I love striped clothes. Today we will show you the two striped dresses we made for Victoria. I want to show you different types of stripes and how they look on the body. You should be very careful with vertical stripes. Such wide stripes are not that dangerous, but you should still pay a lot of attention to it when sewing. Notice that in this dress, the bodice was cut on the lengthwise grain, and the lower part of the front was cut on the crosswise grain. The placket and the lower layer of the wrap-over dress were cut on a lengthwise grain. Once again, lengthwise grain, crosswise grain, pocket was cut on a lengthwise grain, and the bodice on the lengthwise grain as well. Have a look at the dress. When Victoria moves, the stripes move too, and the dress looks amazing. If the whole dress was cut on a lengthwise grain, she would look not like a woman, but like a mattress. I think that combination of the vertical and horizontal lines make this dress look very interesting. Have a look at the way the detail with horizontal stripes was edged with the detail with vertical stripes. The dress is made of very light silk. It's not a new dress, it was made some time ago. I love it so much that I wear it every day. The wrap-over looks very good. Notice that we tried to match the stripes in the pocket and in the dress. Let's have a look at the back. The back was cut on a lengthwise grain. There's also a wrap-over on the back. No matter what Victoria does, walks or sits, there won't be anything seen here. This wrap-over is very comfortable and convenient. Victoria, what do you think? I love this dress. I've always liked striped fabrics, but I thought that they are not suitable for me because of my size. This is my second striped dress. I'll show you the first one after that. Irina creates such amazing designs for me that I realized that I look and feel amazing in striped clothes. Let's have a close look at the wrap-over. Notice that this is a one-piece placket. There is no seam here on the angle. There is a seam on the waist. Have a look here. Even though this dress is for the big size, these parts fit the body perfectly. I'm not saying that an item should be close-fitting, but it shouldn't be baggy neither. Have a look here. You can see that there are folds here on the shoulders. Now have a look at what happens when Victoria sits in front of a computer. Don't ever make these parts close-fitting. Make sure that you have enough ease here. The dress is lined. Have a look at the lining. Even the wrap-over on the back is lined. Have a look at the shoulders. The shoulder seams were moved closer to the front. This is how the shoulder darts look like. We would never make the shoulders fit the body that well without darts. Have a look at the second dress. This is also a striped dress, but the stripes are different. They are wider, less contrastive, and horizontal. This is Victoria's favorite dress. What do you think? I love this dress. I love the color, I love the stripes, and I love the design. When I first showed this fabric to Irina, she turned it and said that we will make a dress with horizontal stripes of it. I was like, uh-oh. Now have a look at what I got. I think that the horizontal stripes were the best decision. Vertical stripes would make me look even bigger, and horizontal stripes somehow surprisingly make me look taller. Right. I want to tell you a bit about this dress. It is made of the very strong cotton fabric. What is interesting about this fabric is that the edges of the stripes are not straight but fuzzy. We'll show them to you. The dress is also decorated with the white beige stripes of lace. One stripe here at the top and two at the bottom. One is attached to the white stripe and the other to the beige. All the seams are covered with very thin stripes of beige lace. The placket is also edged this way. Let's have a look at the back. It's longer than the front, and there is no lace on the bottom. The yoke seam is covered with the same lace as the front. The neckline is edged with the lace as well. The dress is so light. Yes, it is. I feel like I can rule the world when I'm wearing it. Have a close look at the button stand. It's not striped, it's beige. The button stand is edged with lace, the same one which was used to edge the neckline and the princess seams. I think that these details look very beautiful. Victoria is just like me. We like wide sleeves. I hate it when I need to move fast and it's not comfortable for me. Victoria loves convenience even more than I do. I can't sacrifice convenience for beauty. Victoria can't. She puts comfort and convenience first and beauty second. I want to show you how this dress looks like when Victoria moves. This is a very good design for people of big sizes. The dress is a bit longer on the back than on the front. Have a look at the front. There are two princess seams and a box pleat under the button stand. If I'm not mistaken, we've added about 6 cm for this pleat. The back of the dress is loose. Victoria loves such designs. Have a look at these parts in the dress. Don't ever make them close-fitting. It looks like these parts are too loose. Victoria, raise your arms, please. Perfect. This is why these parts should always be a bit loose. The neckline is edged with facing on the wrong side. It was top-stitched. Have a close look at the fabric. The edges of the stripes are fuzzy. Absolutely amazing. Such dresses should be made of strong cotton. Don't try making such dress of cotton which has viscose in its structure. You won't be able to make a dress of a good shape. A lot of people ask to show more striped fabrics, and a lot of people ask to show more designs for big sizes. This is why we decided to shoot these reviews. I love stripes, and now I know that they suit me. That's all for today. We are Paukšte Irina and Victoria. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. Thank you. Goodbye.